Hello everybody. Through this media, I am going to present a topic on significance of the study of public administration. Henry Fayol believes that the administrative process is universal, therefore there is a widespread need for the scientific study of administration. While Paul Figures feels that the main purpose of administration is to preserve the status quo in society. However, public administration has very important place not only as an instrument of governance but also as an instrument of mechanism for preserving and promoting the welfare of the community. W.B. Donham says if our civilization fails, it is mainly because of the breakdown of administration. Firstly, public administration as an instrument for providing services. Public administration provides services to the people like education, social security, public health, housing facilities, etc. Secondly, public administration is a stabilizing force. It maintains stability in the society. Thirdly, public administration as an instrument for implementing the policies of the government. It is the administrators who helps the politicians to formulate the policies and programs of the government. Public administration is called government in action because all the actions of the government are done by public administrators. Next, it is the basis of government. Public administration acts as a basis of government. Without administration, politicians couldn't administer the nation. Fifthly, an instrument of social change and economic development. Due to industrialization, nations are facing problems of unemployment, overpopulation, child labor, etc. All these problems can be effectively tackled with the help of public administration. Sixthly, public administration is essential for successful planning. Seventhly, public administration provides continuity to government. The term of the government is 5 years, but public administration is permanent. It provides continuity to the policies of the government. Eighthly, public administration is necessary to tide over negative developments of industry like unemployment, long hours of work, child labor, etc. Ninthly, modern states are social welfare states. People expect everything from the state when they face the problems like COVID-19. And public administration has to assist the people under such circumstances. Tenthly, nature of modern warfare has increased the importance of public administration. Modern wars are total wars or they are fought in the market. Under such circumstances, administrators have to assist the politicians to safeguard the economic interest of the nation. 11thly, importance of public administration as a subject. To teachers or professors, the subject public administration is very much useful for their career advancement. 12thly, it is an instrument of national integration, particularly in developing countries which are facing the problem of secessionism, sub-nationalism, racism, class war, etc. 13thly, public administration does the work of crisis management. Whenever there is crisis in the nation, it is the public administrators who manage these crises like communal riots, ethnic wars, etc. Lastly, to face the challenges of modern world. For example, liberalization, privatization, globalization poses severe challenge to a nation. All these challenges can be effectively managed by public administrators. Thank you for the opportunity.